In this tutorial I'm going to show you a trick that works very well to speed the grading and review process. You'll see that I have quite a few documents here, many of which are graded. You can see not all of them have been graded, but most have been. There's no interface telling me how many of these documents have been uploaded, and there's no way for me to know how many papers have been graded easily. But that said, I want to show you how I use Firefox to speed up my grading and review process. Let's take a look at screen presentation. Moodle review and tutorial. Teacher challenge, getting all binaries at once. You look at these, and if I had to click and open each one of these individually, I would go out of my mind, as anyone would. This is tedious and at best secretarial. I am of the mind that teachers are managers and not secretaries. That's why I use the internet and computers as much as possible to deliver my courseware. I am not alone in this. So, teacher challenge is to getting all the binaries at once. Workaround, because the Moodle interface doesn't have a download all or a gather up feature to put all assignments into one package in a zip file for later review. I use Firefox's download them all or down them all. In the assignment module using Firefox, you can easily gather up all your students' work, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Down them all, which is an extension you can grab off of the internet, and it fires up this interface. Let's make eggs so you can see everything. A lot of these are HTML files, JavaScript. Don't really need them. What I do need are my text files. So I do a search.txt, save. Wait, I don't want to save my files there. I'm going to browse, and I'm going to put it on my desktop. I'm going to make a new folder on the desktop. I'm going to call it Moodle questions. Click OK, and you can see, well, that it didn't quite work. Let's go try that. Well, we won't worry about it right now. I'm going to filter my files, and I've lost my interface here. There it is. Filter all files. No, I don't want all files. I just want my text files, .txt. And you've got regular expressions here, which is very nice. I don't know how deep the regular expression goes in terms of the documents themselves, but you can see now that the down them all interface has tagged all of my students' work that has a text, that have uploaded text files. It's quite nice, that. So with a little bit of tweaking, I can grab up all of my students' work. So I'm going to start the downloads, and you can see the interface starts, and estimated time is relatively fast because I've insisted that they only upload text files. So I have essentially eliminated a great deal of clicking by using tools available for free to speed up my evaluation process. Very nice, very slick, and again, going back to with the workaround, using Firefox, you can down them all. Now, teacher tactics, this is where you need to very much enforce MIME type compliance, especially if you, like myself, will be using scripts to analyze your students' work. Strongly enforce the student name in the uploaded file so as to know whose document you're looking at any one point. Moodle doesn't tag user files with a login ID, which is an oversight, I think. The developers do great work, there's no doubt about it. I'm just looking for ways to make my life yet easier. And finally, the Moodle forums does not have the same interface as the assignment interface in terms of being able to quickly grade. This is a new feature in 1.53 where I can quickly automatically upgrade or evaluate these students' works. So, finally, the down them all is a great tool. I would highly recommend anybody who is a teacher and using Moodle to give it a shot, play with it. Let me see what the new folder looks like. Here is my new folder, and you can see that I have how many documents, 38 or so. I can click on any one of them, and there is the assignment. So, thank you very much for listening. Thank you for your time, and happy Moodling.